Hi guys, welcome to yet another session of 12 minutes to CLAT. Today we are going to discuss about some career opportunities that are associated with law, because I feel that most of us are either uninformed or misinformed about the kind of career opportunities that are associated with law. And if we decide to take a law entrance exam and enter this field, it's very important for the aspirants and other people who have entered this field to be 100% sure as to what are the opportunities that lie ahead. And it's sometimes very difficult to convince our parents to enter into law, because there's a general perception in the society that lawyer is that person who wears a black robe and goes to a court and argue, okay? And that is a slightly wrong perception, so we're going to clear that out today. So if there are certain doubts that you guys also have with respect to the opportunities that law can provide to you, watch this video till the end and understand all the opportunities that you can look into while you are in law school and when you enter law school and when you make that choice of entering into a law school, right? So at the preparation stage itself, it becomes very important for you to understand the opportunities that are there or the careers that you can make when you are a lawyer or when you enter the legal arena. Okay, so the first career option that is associated with law is litigation. Okay, litigation is basically same thing, that wearing that black robe and going to a court and arguing, but it's not as plain and simple as it's shown in the movies. Neither is it as dramatic as it is shown in the movies. It's a lot of hard work that these lawyers have to put in, the litigating lawyers have to put in, and it's a lot of demanding job. Okay, although the rewards are handsome, if you are able to put in and if you have the determination to put in those initial years after your law school into litigation, the rewards are very good. And it's a very interesting profession also, because you get to deal with different kinds of cases over a period of time, although it needs a lot of hard work. Okay, law in general or any profession in general, if you want to do well, needs a lot of hard work from your side. So that is a given. I don't think I have to repeat it again and again during this session or in any session for that matter. Okay, so first is the litigation field, which is arguing in a court of law. The second part is the corporate jobs. Okay, so a lot of you enter this profession because लोग बोल देते हैं कि लॉ में पैकेजेस अच्छे मिलते हैं. ओके, वी गो टू अ कोचिंग सेंटर एंड द कोचिंग सेंटर वाले सर बोलते हैं कि इट गिव्स यू 14 लाख 15 लाख 16 लाख का पैकेज मिलेगा एंड थिंग्स लाइक दिस इफ यू एंटर अ टॉप नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड दे आर नॉट टेक्निकली रॉन्ग. Okay, so there is a corporate law field in law which provides you jobs in various top corporate law firms in the country. And these corporate law firms provide you opportunities and packages like these, but it's again a lot of hard work. You have to put in day and night of your hard work, not just after graduating or when you enter this law. Even in law school, you have to perform really well to be eligible and to get these jobs. Okay, it's not as easy कि हम एक बार एक law school में चले गए अच्छे तो हमें ये jobs 100% मिल ही जाएगी. This is no guarantee again. Okay, but there's a good chance that if you go to a good law school, then you get a good job also. So a lot of people who do not have a background in law actually go for these jobs and they do really well over a period of time and earn really handsomely. And it's not just law firms. Okay, so there are various multinational corporations, various startups that are coming up these days which are doing really well, and there are various banks which all of them have a legal team also, so you can become a legal counsel of these corporations as well, and they also pay really well and it's a very lucrative option. The third option that we have is judiciary. Okay, so there was a recent controversy wherein Bar Council of India stated that there should be minimum 3 years of experience for a person in courts before that person is eligible to become a judge, okay, to appear for this judiciary entrance exam. However, that is not final yet and there is no binding notification. So at this point in time, anybody who is in its final year in college can appear for the judiciary exam, and it's again very highly reputed. All of us know that job of a judge is so highly regarded and reputed that a lot of people actually take it as a career option and they do really well, right? The fourth option that we have is a career in public policy. Now this is something that a lot of us do not know about. Okay, we see that there are a lot of rules, regulations, laws that come on a daily basis from various state governments and even from the central government, right? Obviously जब वो laws आती हैं, so there are a lot of lawyers that are involved in process of drafting that particular law. Okay, and this is another career option that you guys might look to. Okay, and there is public policy also includes advocating for various political cases also, and in fact various political initiatives also. The fifth kind of opportunity that law provides you is a lot of us want to do or appear for UPSC exam at least once in life, because it's still considered as one of the highest regarded exam in our country. So law is an optional subject in the UPSC syllabus also. So I'm not saying that law is going to help you a lot to clear UPSC, because that is a different kind of preparation and it's a lot different as compared to law, and it's a lot more in fact. But law, that optional subject, if you have a legal background, it becomes slightly easier for you to deal with that subject, and a lot of lawyers who appear for UPSC actually take that subject, and it's pretty popular among the lawyers. And the sixth option, or probably the last option that I'm going to tell you today, is a career in academia. Okay, academia means a teaching career, and this academia, a career in academia, has a lot of potential, because I'll be very honest with you, even in some of the top national universities in the country, the kind of teaching that is provided to students is not of the highest quality. So it is the need of the hour that the young lawyers of the country start taking up profession in teaching also, okay, and they start teaching as well, because it's a highly paying profession, it's a well paying profession, and plus there is a good work life balance, okay, because you have that flexibility, you get a good time for yourself also, because it is very important, because you cannot be working all the time all through your day and night. So it gives you a good work life balance also, and that is something that a lot of people consider these days. So something that I wanted to discuss here was that a lot of people are really influenced by this TV series called Suits, if you have watched it, because a lot of us have watched it and we are really influenced that we want a life like Harvey Specter, and that lavish kind of a life which law can provide to us. But it's not as fancy as it looks, okay. You may earn a lot of money, but it's a lot of hard work, okay. Making a TV series in law is very simple, but in practicality it's not as easy as it seems, okay. So it's a lot of hard work, and that's it about the session from my side. Thank you. Any comments, mention in the comment box.